with Eat, Drink, and Be Skinny, and today we're working with recipes for my Color Me Skinny Diet Detox. And right now I'm going to make for you an apple, cranberry, and lettuce salad. What I'm going to do actually is I'm going to use that to just dress up your traditional tuna salad. Tuna is a fantastic part of a healthy diet because it's super high in protein and really low calorie. So this typical can of tuna has 30 grams of protein and only 120 calories. The problem with it typically is that it's small. It's nutritionally very, very dense. And people usually put a lot of high-fat mayonnaise in it and then slop it between 2 slices of white bread, and then we've taken what could be really healthy and taken the best out of it. So I'm going to show you how you put the best back into it today and make it into a delicious salad. So we have just 5 ounces of tuna here, which is 1 can. And our idea here is we really want to bulk it up with high-quality products and produce that is going to add flavor, texture, and a ton of nutritional value. So this is a green apple, super high in fiber, high in vitamin C. This is some celery, mostly just high in water, which is great, really helps detoxify the body. Any product that is high in water and low in calories is a great way to feel fuller for fewer calories. So that's going to be the base of our salad. Now, to make it a little bit more interesting, because that's probably not going to be very impressive to many of your guests, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of white mayonnaise. This is a huge key here. Sometimes people go out of control with mayonnaise in tuna salad, and typical mayonnaise out of the jar, 60 calories per tablespoon, solid fat. So I would recommend checking your nutrition labels and getting a lighter mayonnaise because they range from 15 to maybe 35 calories per tablespoon, which is a huge savings. So this one here only has 20 calories per tablespoon. So we're gonna add that. And this is really gonna help hold the flavors together and the salad. And then we're gonna add about a teaspoon of spicy mustard. And that is gonna also help sort of make the salad stick together, but also give it a greater dimension. And then to give it a sweet touch and also some more color, we're gonna add the dried cranberries, which are not nutrition void. They have some vitamin C and some antioxidant properties to them. And then I have to add cracked pepper to everything because I think it gives it that final touch. And that's gonna be your cranberry salad. So this whole recipe for this giant serving, which is full of nutrition, full of fiber, full of protein, has only 250 calories. And instead of serving it on traditional lettuce, which is just a lot of water, which is better than 2 slices of white bread, but to make it to up our nutrition ante a little bit more, we're gonna actually use a bed of spinach. The darker your vegetables, the better they are for you. So if you can sneak in spinach instead of iceberg anytime, go for it. So there's our salad, and here's our spinach. And we're just gonna put this on top. And the tuna salad is gonna have enough moisture in it that it's gonna go ahead and take care of your spinach leaves. If you wanted to dress your spinach in like a light vinegar beforehand so that it had some flavor on it and wasn't relying on the tuna, that would be fine too. But I do believe that this tuna salad is delicious enough and has enough flavor in it to cover the whole bed of spinach. And that was about 3 cups of spinach. So here you have it. This is your apple cranberry salad. Put some tuna in there. And I'm Teresa with Eat, Drink, and Be Skinny.